Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore property manager selection using Buildium reviews. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Buildium account. Navigate to the reviews section in the main dashboard. Locate the property manager selection option. If you see any reviews related to property managers, click on the relevant selection. Examine the feedback provided in these reviews closely. Take note of any patterns or recurring themes in the comments. Consider the overall ratings of the property managers listed. Determine which managers consistently receive positive reviews. Next, compare these insights with your current property managers. Identify any gaps or areas for improvement based on the reviews. Make a short list of potential property managers to consider. Reach out to any top-rated candidates for interviews. Prepare a set of questions that address the specifics of your property management needs. Once you have all the necessary information, compare your options. Make your final selection based on both feedback and personal assessment. Update your records to reflect the new property manager selection. Finally, notify the selected manager and begin the onboarding process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.